Hello and welcome to another pretty unprepared session of HNTBO. So today I just wanted to put on the to push on the live stream button. I have too many ideas for this stream, so I discovered that you can use the voice mode now quite easily in ChatGPT on the PC. So I've arranged for the fact that I can have a live conversation with ChatGPT. Yes, live. And I also wanted at some point to turn off the mic and start doing a few. I want to design the logos of ChatGPT and Claude for a thumbnail within Houdini, the 3D software I use. And at that moment, it will just be a live work session, and I will cut the mic so that I can have or maybe I won't cut the mic, I don't know, but I won't talk that much so that I can have the AC because it's still super hot today in Paris. And yeah, I'm not exactly sure where I should begin. I wanted to make a few tweaks on my stream tracker, and maybe we'll start with that and see where we go from there. So I collected some information from a previous chat I had with ChatGPT about the stream tracker. I asked it to design the database, and so there are those properties: generated title, generated AI, edit property, so custom autofill. Okay, so I want to make the stream tracker my main source of the main place where I should work for creating the titles and descriptions of live streams, because I think maybe they deserve a little less attention than the ones for the true videos. But at the same time, I've started to prepare something, but I've always returned to ChatGPT to indeed do the work, because I didn't finish to set up the database. So I wanted to do that. I'm not sure it's very interesting, but let's just do it. And so this is the prompt that the AI gave me in a first attempt. So you are helping a creator named Frederick document their chaotic creative process, how to use the AI slot. You fill in team and title prompt. Click Ask AI on Notion on the generate title property. Okay, except that this prompt, create a short, witty YouTube live title, creates your live stream where the host is building a Notion database that writes title for him. Use humor if possible. This prompt is too specific, I think, to be used in the in the general description field. Use this prompt. Write a short YouTube base. It's specific too. Okay, so we will ask once again the help of ChatGPT, and give it what we expect, and maybe we can do that a little better. So I will take a screenshot of the database properties, and we will go talk to our good friend ChatGPT. And see how that works, because I think it's quite funny to be able for you to be able to hear it rather than me reading what it says. So let's move to the dual view scene. And let's start a new chat within the HNTBO project. Okay, why don't you want to? Okay, so we're in the project. Hey there. This is a new chat for a new stream. In this stream, I will be making my, my stream tracker a little better thanks to your help. And after that, I will be doing some Houdini. So first thing first, hi, you're live. And when you will be talking, it will be recorded and everybody can hear your very nice voice.
Hey there. That sounds like a fun plan for the stream. I'm excited to help out with the stream tracker and then dive into some Houdini work afterward. I'll do my best to keep the conversation interesting and let's make it a great stream.
Yeah, thank you. So I will exit voice mode so that I can share some screen capture, but we'll go back to that later. Oh, so it didn't take... This is... So I shared my screen capture, but now we are not in voice mode. And so it's starting to talk a lot. And yeah, no. Sorry, I didn't really take the time to read your previous answer, even if it looks super thorough, but I wanted to resume the chat mode as quick as possible for the audience. And so my main issue, so I shared the screenshot so that you can see the database property we have. And my main issue with the current state of the database is that I need prompts that are generic to make the titles and the description based on the content of the page. Is that something I can do?
Absolutely. You can definitely create generic prompts that will guide the AI to generate titles and descriptions based on the content of each page. One way to do it is to have a default template for your title prompt and description prompt fields in Notion that gives the AI a bit of context. For example, you could include a prompt like, generate a catchy SEO-friendly title for a live stream about theme that highlights the creative process and use of AI tools. That way, the AI will always have a consistent direction and can adapt based on the specific content of the page. Let me know if you'd like any help setting that up.
Yes, that's what I want to do, actually. So in that case, I think I must start building a template for the page so that I can fill the page with enough information for the AI to have guidance and then use the custom AI autofill properties to parse the content of the page and to generate the titles and description. So I'm guessing that I should prompt myself with what is this stream about, what am I going to do, what do I want to give the viewer in this stream, things like that. Can you help me design the perfect prompt to humans so that the human answer to the human prompts feeds the AI prompts, if you know what I mean?
Absolutely. I get what you mean. The idea is to create a structured template that helps you fill in key information so the AI can generate more relevant titles and descriptions. Here's a simple set of human facing prompts you can include in your Notion template. What is the main theme or topic of this stream? Example, exploring AI tools for creative workflows. What specific activities or segments will you include? Example, setting up a Notion database, live coding in Houdini, Q&A with viewers. What value or takeaway do you want viewers to get from this stream? Example, viewers will learn how to automate their creative process and see a live demo of AI integration in Notion. Are there any tools or resources you'll be showcasing? Example, Claude, Notion, Houdini, and OBS. How would you describe the mood or tone of this stream? Example, playful, educational, and engaging. You can place these prompts in a section at the top of your Notion page template. Once you fill them out, the AI can then use that information to generate tailored titles and descriptions that really match the content of your stream. Let me know if you'd like any adjustments or additional ideas.
Okay, I will exit the voice mode, but thank you. I just noticed that since the animation of the blue dot that is ChatGPT has like a super short lifespan, it's not really interesting for me to show the second half of the screen when he's talking, which is a shame, but all right. So these are the human prompts. Okay, so I will copy and paste this inside a template. So let's go back in the work mode. Actually, it's not that great when I'm in Notion and in OBS, so maybe I will just size the window so that it's a little... No, that's the wrong window, sorry. Oh, or maybe I keep... Yeah, I'll keep... Ooh. Yeah, I will be keeping the dual screen view and playing Notion within the dual screen view. So this we minimize, and this we can just hide. So this was the old... Okay, so we can get rid of all of that. Anyways, we are not doing this in the live tracker because we will do that in a template and edit. Okay. So we'll give ourselves a little... Okay, so those are the room for our answers, and see how well the Notion AI picks that up. So what's the main topic of the stream? Okay, so now that we have the template, we will use it. Oh, sorry. And create a new... So this is the stream session 8. We are today, and let's open the page. So what is the main topic of this stream? In this stream, I will cover designing AI-powered database with the help of AI, so that I can have quick titles and description for my live streams. And in the second part of the stream, I will be diving inside Houdini to make 3D logos of LLMs that I will use down the line to create thumbnails when I'm playing for the streams and videos where I'm playing with LLMs. Okay. In case you're wondering, I'm dictating through the tool that is called Whisper Flow, and it's really awesome. It's way better than Windows voice typing. So there will be two segments, the AI collaboration and setting up of the Notion database. And after that, just playing in Houdini, not especially live coding, more modelization session, actually. The takeaways will be, I suppose, working with automations, automating creative process, seeing ChatGPT talk live, and if you're into that, seeing someone fiddling in Houdini, being I don't know how I qualify my Houdini model. Fiddling in Houdini, and en français je dirais galérer, but that's not really good for English. I mean, I will probably stumble upon a lot of problems, and actually I'm talking way too much. This is terrible. Okay, so we will have to erase all of that. Parts of seeing ChatGPT talk live, seeing someone fiddling in Houdini. I think fiddling is dismissive enough. We'll be showcasing ChatGPT Voice Mode, Houdini, and Notion. This is hopefully playful, and I want people to feel how amazed I am by AI. Okay, so now we need, I guess, to edit this property and generate a compelling but accurate title for this stream based on the available information. The title should be Attention Grumpy, where remaining. Oh, it's already quite good. I don't remember pasting anything inside it, but maybe it's generated that, because this particular database was generated using some information that I brought from ChatGPT into the AI database building tool of Notion. So maybe it just auto-prompted itself, because I think this prompt is quite good actually. But the generated title is not. Maybe unleashing creativity, designing. Stop changing your mind every 4 seconds. Unlocking creativity, automating workflows with AI and Houdini. General description. Join me for a live session where I'll explore AI tool for creative workflow. We'll set up a Notion database too. It keeps changing. I don't have the time to finish reading one description that it already has changed the description. Unlocking creativity, AI-powered design and live 3D modeling with Houdini. This is correct. Join us for a live stream where I'll explore AI tools for creative workflows. We'll set up a Notion database and dive into Houdini for 3D logo modeling, showcasing automation in the creative process. Expect a playful and engaging atmosphere as we... Stop it. Okay, so we will consult our almost divine ChatGPT oracle, and I think it just must be some kind of auto update setting in the general description. Rename. No, not rename. Yes, rename. Stream description. Rename. Stream title. Title prompt. So this title prompt is no longer useful. So I can delete it. Yes. Custom hashtag. Okay, so I want the numbers of hashtags to be limited, and maybe the custom hashtag should be AI generated too, because I will make 2 hashtags semi-permanent. One hashtag is permanent, it's HNTBO. A second hashtag is semi-permanent, probably, but it will be permanent for quite a long time at first, and it's built in public. Or maybe I use building in public, but I think build in public is better. And only the third hashtag is depending of the content of the stream. So yeah. No. So I don't want any hashtags in. Okay, so let's go to. One sec. No, I shouldn't have done that. This was not what I wanted to do. Edit property, custom autofill. So this is the autofill for the title. Do you see any improvement that could be added to the prompt? Now we will add on, we will move we will move on the description in the second part. Okay, so we cannot do that. This is... Can you please regenerate an answer based on my latest comment? I broke it by trying to enter voice mode, which was a mistake. No, this is not what I need. I need the prompt to be generic, because it has to feed on the page content, but still be able to generate a clear, catchy, and SEO-friendly title, but it must be generic, so that it can adapt to the content of the page. You do not bring back page specific information inside the prompt, or it would break at the second stream that I will do. So the new prompt: generate a clear, engaging, SEO optimized title for a live stream based on the content. Okay, so now maybe we can do that. Sorry.
ChatGPT 4.1. Generate a clear, engaging, and SEO optimized title for a live stream based on the content of this page. The title should be catchy and concise, accurately reflecting the main topics and themes without exaggeration or clickbait. Prioritize relevance to creative workflows, technology, and audience interest.
Yeah, this is quite good. Stop.
Why this works.
So, because we were going from there. Okay, I will read it myself. It will be easier and less creepy. Generate. I'm trying to make a better accent, but it's not that easy for me. I'm sorry. Generate a compelling but accurate title for this stream based on the available information. The title should be attention-grabby while remaining truthful about the content. Okay. Generate clear, engaging, SEO optimized. Yeah, that's way better. Okay, let's do that and try to regenerate the title and see if it's any better. And maybe we will just do a random fake stream afterwards to see how good it works. Not rename. I want to change the custom autofill. Ha! It was better before. Okay. I don't know why the prompt is better, but the results are not as good, I think. All right, let's move on to the description. Okay, so we'll have to copy the prompt first. No, we won't copy the prompt. We will make it do it from scratch. And afterwards, we will ask it to compare itself to the AI within Notion, which is probably the exact same LLM. I know that within Notion you have GPT 4.1 and Claude. I don't remember the exact flavor of Claude, but and right now I'm using 4.1 mini or the quick one. Generate concise description of the stream with relevant hashtag at the end. Yeah, that I don't want. Okay, let's copy that. Okay, can you do the same prompt for the description? So a generic prompt that feeds from the content of the page to generate a description that is SEO friendly, blah, 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 blah.
Absolutely. Here's a generic prompt you can use for generating a description that will adapt to the content of each page and remain SEO friendly, engaging, and informative. Generic description generation prompt: generate a concise, engaging, and SEO friendly description for this live stream based on the content of this page. Highlight the main topics, tools, and takeaways for viewers, ensuring the tone is inviting and informative. Avoid overpromising and keep it aligned with the stream's actual content and goals. This prompt keeps things flexible and ensures that the AI will pull the right details from the page content, making the description both accurate and appealing.
Yeah, this sounds awesome. Thank you. I will test that right away.
You're welcome. I'm excited to see how it works out for you. If you need any more tweaks or have any other questions as you test it, just let me know. Good luck with your stream and have fun with it.
Oh, maybe I should just duplicate the property so that I can compare it easily. Delete property. I cannot duplicate it because I guess this is because of the layout. Okay, one sec. I think we'll have to do that. And then, okay, so we will change the view quickly and have the, so the mood, I'm not sure I want to keep this property. Yeah, no, delete it. It's not useful. Keywords, it's not useful either. So stream description, that's the one we duplicate. Duplicate property. All right. Okay. And let's go back inside the page and no, not that. Customize layout. This one I want to add the stream description with GPT prompt. And now we can feed the prompt inside save changes, and we get to compare the two descriptions that are yeah, this looks way better. Join us for an exciting live stream where we explore the integration of AIs in creative workflows. In this session, we'll delve into designing AI-powered databases using Notion to streamline your creative process. What? Yeah, maybe you'll witness live demonstration of automating tasks and see ChatGPT in action. We'll also take a dive into Houdini, focusing on 3D logo design, perfect for enhancing your thumbnails. It's not that great actually, because I don't want to you, the viewer, like that. Meaning, when I say you, the viewer, it's like you witness maybe, but for your thumbnails, I don't know if my viewers are making thumbnails. So this is an issue. And key takeaways include, I feel that it's very basic, it's very academic, it's not really okay. So maybe we can roll dice once again to see if we get something else. I'm also not sure that the date is okay. So let's say that we use the title. Does it update and take it into account? I suppose it does, because I think it's been fetching the date in the properties. This is so bad. Join us for a live streaming event titled Unlocking Creative Workflows. No, sorry, this is like, no, I'm sorry. You do not repeat yourself like that. It makes absolutely no sense. So we will address our concerns to our dear ChatGPT, and then take it from there to see if it can tweak the prompt so that we get a better result. Let's go back to Edge. There we are. Okay, now let's voice our concerns. Hey, so this prompt provided a description that is a little better than the one we had before, but is a bit basic, that tends to repeat some information that shouldn't be repeated, and also that makes use of you for the viewer, like it will help you make better thumbnails, when I have no idea if my viewers are making thumbnails. So maybe we should not address the viewers like that with such assumptions. Let's brainstorm a little, because don't provide me with another prompt just yet, but try to analyze the problem, and let's think it through together. Okay, so this time we will ask it to be read by Edge, because I'm too lazy to read it to you. I know that if I try to read it, I will just
ChatGPT 4.1 Mini.
skip ads.
Great analysis. Your points hit key issues that often appear in AI-generated descriptions and could weaken viewer engagement or clarity. Let's break down the problems you identified and how to address them thoughtfully. 1. Repetition of information. Issue: the description restates ideas, like AI-powered databases streamlining workflow, multiple times in different ways, which dilutes impact and wastes space. Why it happens. AI often tries to fill out text length by paraphrasing concepts already mentioned. Generic prompts encourage redundancy if not tightly controlled. How to fix. Ask the AI to prioritize conciseness and avoid repeating facts. Structure the prompt to request clear, distinct points only. Possibly include a limit or max word count. 2. Direct address to viewer, you, and assumptions. Issue: using you assumes the audience will take certain actions or have needs that may not fit your specific stream goals, like help you make thumbnails. Why it happens. This style is common in marketing but may overpromise or imply responsibilities on viewers you don't want to assume. AI tends to default to this because it's a common copywriting style. How to fix. Ask for a neutral, descriptive tone that explains what the stream does and offers rather than telling viewers what they should do. Avoid language implying direct advice or commands unless you explicitly want that style. 3. Lack of depth/basic feel. Issue: the description, while clear, doesn't leverage deeper or more unique aspects of the content that might make it compelling or differentiated. Why it happens. Generic prompts produce safe but bland text to avoid errors. Without prompting for a unique angle or personality, AI won't dig deeper. How to fix. Ask AI to highlight unique elements like your dual focus on AI plus Houdini, live demos, or creative experimentation. Encourage a subtle playful or creative tone aligned with your brand, but without cliches or fluff. Suggest adding key takeaways but clearly distinct and non-repetitive. Summary of potential improved prompt guidelines to try next. Request concise, non-repetitive text, max 150 words. Use neutral, descriptive tone that doesn't directly address viewers or make assumptions. Emphasize unique elements and what happens in the stream over advice to viewers. Include distinct key takeaways that don't repeat main description. Optionally, ask for a light, creative vibe that fits your playful/nostalgic brand voice. Would you like me to help draft a refined version of this prompt Voice chat ended. 1 minute and 16 seconds. Tools. ChatGPT can make.
Okay, what I want you to do is indeed recreate the prompt. I want to avoid that key takeaways are a title within the description. So maybe you ask in the prompt, you say highlight key takeaways, but do not make a key takeaways part inside just do the bullet point and skip key takeaways in the description. But all of your other corrections and ideas to guide the prompt to be more concise sound great to me. So please proceed.
Got it. Here's a refined version of the prompt that should address all those points. Refined description generation prompt. Generate a concise, engaging, and SEO-friendly description for this live stream using the content on this page. Clearly describe the main topics and activities without repeating information. Highlight the key takeaways as simple bullet points without using a key takeaways heading. Maintain a neutral and inviting tone and avoid directly addressing the viewer with assumptions about their activities. Ensure the description is clear, engaging, and free from unnecessary repetition or filler text. This should help keep the descriptions more focused and tailored without making assumptions about the viewers. Feel free to tweak it further as you see fit.
I think it does. Thank you. All right. Let's test this one out. Sorry, I completely blanked out and forgot to read the description. It's still not good. Join a dynamic livestream focused on unlocking creative workflows through AI-powered databases and 3D logo design in Houdini. So this makes a link between the two parts of the potential stream, which is not good because those two parts will be pretty separated. This session will explore the integration of AI tools for enhancing the creative process, featuring two main segments: collaborating with AI to set up a Notion database for streamlined content creation, engaging with a modelization session in Houdini to create eye-catching logos. So it circumvented the U issues with viewers, which is bad too. Okay, we'll just ask ChatGPT to do the description itself to see what it comes up with. Okay, so I tested the new prompt and the results are still not great. I just want to check with you because I'm pretty sure that if right now I'm asking you to make a description for the video, the result will be much better. So please humor me and do the description. I'm all ears.
Sure, I'd be happy to give it a try. Based on the content you shared, here's a polished description for your stream. Join us for an engaging live stream where we dive into the creative possibility of AI and Houdini. In this session, we'll explore how to design AI-powered databases in Notion to streamline your workflow, and then switch gears to Houdini for a hands-on session in 3D logo modeling. Expect a playful and educational atmosphere as we showcase the power of AI in creative workflows. Tools featured will include Notion, Houdini, and ChatGPT. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your creative projects and get inspired. Let me know what you think of this style.
Well, it's way better than what Notion AI told me. I guess that's because you have much more context. And also, I don't know, It's always better when it's issued from this kind. So maybe I shouldn't try to do the stream description within Notion. What do you think?
I think using Notion's AI can still be a great starting point, especially for generating quick drafts and saving time. The key is to fine tune the prompts and then do a quick manual pass afterward to add that personal touch. You definitely have more context and a unique voice, which makes a big difference in the final result. So, using AI for a first draft and then refining it yourself could be a great approach. It's all about finding that balance that works best for you.
Okay, but I think I will just grab the description you made because it's a way better starting point than everything we got in Notion. Let me just check something really quick and I'll get back to you. Okay, so I'm torn. I don't know what I should do now. Join us for an engaging live stream where we dive into the creative possibilities in AI and Houdini. In this session, we'll explore how to design AI-powered databases in Notion to streamline. Maybe it's a little lost because we have this double stream expectation, and yeah, it makes no sense to have that kind of double stream. I should just stop this stream and make it okay. We will consult once again with the oracle. Okay, so I think I made up my mind a little bit. I want to test a little further with removing the dual stream ID because I think it's making the description a lot less clear. It makes the description confused, and because we're trying to join two things that don't really belong together, and I want to test the prompt again with only the AI stuff. Do you think it will help?
That definitely makes sense. Simplifying the focus of the stream description can help keep it clear and coherent, and it'll likely make the AI generated content more focused and engaging. Combining too many themes can sometimes lead to a less cohesive narrative, so streamlining it to focus on just the AI aspect might indeed make.
Yes, I'm doing that. I'm updating the content of the page right now, and while still chatting with you. So, your turn. We will chat live with ChatGPT with voice mode and sorry. Yeah, actually, I was dictating. I forgot that I was talking. I had this discussion opened with you. I was just talking to my Notion page. So I will just close it for now and come back to you once I'm done. Okay? Let him answer. Okay. And oh my god. Oh no, it's live. the the YouTube page live didn't update, so I was thinking that I once again did not go live, but fortunately I'm live. All right, this is good news. Let's go back to what we were doing. And update the stream tracker database with AI powered properties and custom prompt to get the most accurate descriptions we can get. Okay, so let's remove the Houdini part. It's a bit redundant, but it's not very important. This is hopefully playful, and I want people to feel how amazed I am by AI. Okay. Let's generate again! Sorry. What was that? Oof. Oof. That's complicated. Yes, it is. Okay, so let's edit this one because we don't need the hashtags. So with relevant hashtags. No relevant hashtags, please. Spare me. Oh my god. Okay, so I don't understand why does pick up the everything. Okay, so let's see the second one. Yeah, sorry if you cannot read the... I will try to do better with the reading and stuff next time, but so I will read the one that we custom prompted with ChatGPT. Join us for an engaging live stream focused on unlocking creative workflows through AI-powered databases and 3D logo design. Okay, so it didn't update because Houdini is out. All right, I think that's because the title is not updated. Where do you fetch Houdini from? Please tell me because I really don't understand. Ah, that's it. Okay, let's update everybody. Now that Houdini is out of the picture, I guess there is some overlapping between the different elements of the pages that the AI parses to create those elements. Unlocking creativity, AI-powered workflows, and live ChatGPT integration. This is not really it. I'm not integrating ChatGPT anywhere, so that's much better. Unlocking creativity, AI-powered workflows, and live chat with ChatGPT. Okay. In this live stream scheduled, we don't care for when it is scheduled. We'll be focusing on designing AI-powered databases to enhance creative workflows. Viewer will expect a live coding session. No, they won't. Featuring ChatGPT in voice mode, automating aspect of creativity and updating stream tracker database. The stream aims to provide educational values. Okay, so this is really what we wanted to avoid. So let's check the one we custom prompted, which changed just at the moment I was beginning to read it. Join a dynamic live stream focused on designing AI-powered databases to enhance creative workflows. This session features... this is so annoying. Is there something that I guess you can ask it not to not to auto update. This should prevent the constant jumps in content. Join this live session on June. I thought we did no redundant information. All right, let's read this one. Join this live session to explore the fascinating intersections of AI and creative workflows. The stream will focus on designing AI-powered databases, emphasizing on the integration of tools like ChatGPT and Notion. Activities will include activities. You're welcome to this all-inclusive trip to the landscape of ChatGPT and Notion AI databases. I hope you had a pleasant flight and that you know what I mean. That's not good. Join a live session exploring the integration of AI tools in creative workflows, focusing on designing AI-powered databases. The stream includes live interaction with ChatGPT in voice mode, along with real-time updates of the stream tracker database using AI properties and custom prompts. This is much better. Viewers will gain insight into automating parts of the creative process, experience ChatGPT in action during a live demonstration, understanding how to enhance productivity with AI tools, showcasing tools such as ChatGPT Voice Mode and Notion. This session promises a playful and engaging atmosphere while delving into the fascinating world of AI. This is pretty good, actually. I think I will keep this one. This one's a keeper. That's more like it's that you say. Sorry. Sometimes I hear myself talking in really bad English and I'm ashamed, but what can I say? I wanted to stream in English and I'm streaming in English while doing really weird and bad sentences. So we said you're a keeper. We will prevent the auto updates as well in this property. I don't think we need any intervention of ChatGPT to prompt for the custom hashtag, honestly. Okay, let's custom hashtag. So edit property, AI autofill, yes, do AI autofill with info custom autofill. Generate one hashtag that is relevant to the content of this stream. No, I don't want to turn on auto update because it's really annoying. And I rather click the little button. All in creativity. No, I don't like it. All in. It's AI in creative workflow. Update. Okay, you know what? I will do the custom hashtag myself because it's not really that complicated to come up with something interesting for the stream. So, what will the conclusion be? Actually, it's been quite fun to me. I hope that it was fun to you too. So we dropped the Houdini part. Sorry for overpromising, but I think it's it's enough for one stream. I just want to brainstorm the thumbnail with ChatGPT, and maybe if it's a quick thumbnail, do it live, and if it's not, we'll see. Let's just brainstorm the thumbnail with ChatGPT. Maybe something like the ChatGPT logo and a mic. And no, okay. Okay, so I think this is almost good, and that the stream is coming close to an end. I want, as a last part, to brainstorm the thumbnail with you and maybe do it live afterwards. I was thinking, and you tell me if, don't hesitate to contradict me if you think the idea is bad, but I want to... I will just throw things that I want, and we will make a decision afterwards. So maybe I want to do a mic and the logo of ChatGPT talking inside the mic. So to convey the fact that you and I are talking during this stream. And what I want also do maybe is to showcase a Notion database. And yeah, maybe that's too much for one thumbnail. What do you think? Yeah, I think you're onto something, and it just made me realize that the title and the content of the stream are not aligned, and are not aligned with the thumbnail. So I want to reframe the title and go to something like using ChatGPT Voice Mode to enhance my Notion database, something like that. Maybe with a sparkle of automation also inside the title. What do you think? Yeah, and okay, so this is definitely that. And once again, I'm coming back to you to get a correct title. So I think the conclusion of the stream demonstrate that these features of Notion are really powerful, but they cannot beat context just yet. And yeah, I think this is a pretty interesting takeaway. So I will also please ask you to update the description you did before to reflect everything we just said.
community. By the end, you'll see how AI can support but not replace the unique insights we bring to our workflows. Don't miss out on this blend of innovation and reflection. I think this version keeps everything aligned and captures that final insight. Let me know what you think.
Yeah, I think it's pretty good. It's maybe a little too long, but I think we have the conclusion of the stream right here. So I would just want to thank you for this session, and we will go offline. I give you the last word, so please.
Thank you so much. It's been a lot of fun brainstorming with you, and I'm glad we could refine everything together. I'm sure the stream was going to turn out great, and I can't wait to see how it all comes together. Good luck with everything, and I'll be here whenever you need me next. Have a great one.